Hey everyone, today we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to my heart, dealing with adversity as an adult with ADHD. Let me share some insights on how I've learned to turn my challenges into opportunities for success. As an adult, someone with ADHD faces unique obstacles that can make everyday tasks seem like insurmountable mountains. It took me years to figure out the tools and strategies that help me navigate these challenges. But let me tell you, once you find what works for you, it's a game changer. Think of it this way: when you're swimming against the current, every stroke brings you closer to the shore, and every step forward is a victory. I'm here to remind you that your struggles are valid and real. They may not look like those of someone sitting on the beach with a drink in their hand, but trust me, they're just as real and just as important. So don't let society's expectations discourage you. You are exactly where you need to be at this very moment because your past experiences have shaped who you are today, your strengths, your resilience, and your success story. Remember, every obstacle is just another opportunity to shine. Thank you for joining me in this conversation today. If you found this discussion helpful or inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more uplifting content like this one. Until next time, stay strong and keep pushing forward.